Jeannie likes mixing leftover salad dressings together to make new dressings. She combined 0.55 liters of 90%, and written as a decimal is 0.9, vinegar salad dressing with 45.45 liters of another dressing to make 1 liter of salad dressing that is 60% vinegar, and 0.6 is 60% as a decimal. We need to figure out what percent that part is. So 0.9 times 0.55 is 0.495, and p times 0.45 is just 0.45p. 0.6 times 1 is 0.6. We want our number pieces to be combined with our number pieces and our variable pieces to be all by themselves. I'm going to flip this one over and move it to the other side. I'm going to make sure that I don't actually mistake it for division. Okay, these add to 0, so I'm left with 0.45p, and 0.6 minus 0.495, oops, I'm missing the 5, is 0.105. Then to solve it for p, I divide both sides by the same number, and I get p equals about 0.233. And written as a percent, we would say that it's 23.3%.